Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you actually how to download the required stuff for this course. First, when you open the Android Studio IDE, we need to actually go to the configure and SDK manager, and then we need to actually click on launch standalone SDK manager. And here, as you can see, it's going to open the Android SDK manager for us. So first, make sure that you have downloaded. First, we need to open our tools folder. Make sure that you have downloaded Android SDK tools, Android SDK platform tools, Android SDK build tools, and for the Android 6.0 API 23, make sure that you have downloaded documentation for Android SDK platform. And if you don't have an Intel CPU, make sure that you downloaded that you have downloaded ARM EABI v7a system image. This is very important if you want to use the Android emulator and you don't have an Intel CPU. Make sure that you download the system image, and make sure that you have downloaded Google APIs and Google APIs Intel x86 Atom system image. If you have got an Intel CPU, just download this system image. As you can see, I have installed it. And sources for Android SDK. So how can you download for example, a package? So first I need to deselect all, as you can see here. And for example, imagine that I want to download this system image. Okay, I need to check the checkbox here, and as you can see, it is written here that install one package. Just click on this button here and click on the heading and accept license and install it. That's pretty easy. So, and then as you can see, this extras folder, just open it. And then as you can see, you need to actually download GPU debugging tools, Android support repository, very important, Android support library, important, Google Play services, Google repository, and Google Play billing library. As you can see, I have installed it. Google Play licensing library. And if you have got a Windows machine or a Linux machine, and you have got a Google for Android device, for example Nexus 5, in order to run your app on the real device, you need to actually download this Google USB driver. This is not compatible with the Mac OS 6, but you need to download this Google USB driver if you are using your Windows machine or Linux machine and you have got an Android device and a Google Android device, for example like Nexus. And make sure that you download Google Web Driver. And if you have got an Intel CPU, you need to actually download the Hexam installer. Make sure that you have downloaded this Intel x86 emulator accelerator. Okay, so these are the required stuff that you need for this course, and later in the course we're gonna actually download other stuff too. But for this early applications, this stuff is enough. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.